Wow, look at what we got today. A lot of fog. Oh, it is dense. Well, it's clearing up a little bit. Do you like to go hiking? Yeah? Yeah? And it's going to be a warm day. Hi everybody, this is video 55 with 10 days to go before I will have 6 weeks in of after having a total shoulder replacement. This is a stemless shoulder replacement. Not all people can have stemless shoulder replacements. You have to have good bone. If your bone's too soft, they got to put a spike in there or a stem in order to do that replacement. But in any case, it was a lot better than a bone on bone. Today, I was going to make tamales, but when I started to do the masa, I had like 3 cups left, and I noticed they had kind of the masa mix had a little off odor, and I looked at the expiration date and it was way past, so I'm not going to make that with old masa mix. The tamales won't taste right. So I'll wait to do that tomorrow. I'll buy some new masa mix when I go into town, and I'll make these tamales from scratch. That beef can wait in the refrigerator for at least a week. It's well cooked and well wrapped. It's just going to be fine. So they'll work really well in tamales for that. But let's go off and look at the pollywogs and the tadpoles and see how they're doing today. All the way around the reservoir, they're all about the same size. Some are a little bigger than others, but for the most part, the biggest concentration is right over on this more shallower slope area. Maybe the water's warmer or something, I don't know. And they seem to be a little bit bigger right in here. I'm wondering what the difference would be from these tadpoles, pollywogs, as in comparison to the ones that would be down in that natural pond. There's a lot more vegetation and a lot more stuff for them to eat there, so I wonder if they're bigger. Oh, look at that. But here's an interesting thing. This fig tree is huge, and this fig has sent its roots all around here. So fig can be pretty invasive. So that root there has led to all of those figs in here. And these figs were not here 2 years ago. And that's a lot of figs on this tree this year. So not only that fig, but these Meyer lemons are in bloom like crazy. They also look really pretty and quite fragrant right now. So if you're wondering if I had smell-o-vision, it would be amazing. And here's another fig tree from that same giant fig tree. And it has figs on it as well. And this guy has her nose in a hole. You wanna go? I'm wondering if she's going to go in. She needs a bath. I've learned my lesson about going any farther down this mud than I am right now. I will just keep going, and I don't want to go mud waddling today. So I'm going to stand back this far and zoom in to look at those pollywogs, tadpoles. I would say they're about the same size as the ones in the reservoir. You don't look too much bigger. It isn't going to be too much longer, but this whole field will be blooming. This beautiful flower. These don't look too much bigger. So much for a quick video of that. Otter dog. I'm not going to be able to take this back with me now, but this root ball here is a great find. Oh, look what else I found. I almost missed this. That's an old color. I can take this one back with me. I have about another hour before the wind comes up in the canyon like it always does this time of day, or about another hour from now. And I am going to do my compost. Today is a compost day. It needs to be turned and Yes, I'm such a big fan of composting, I'm even going to compost myself. Take a look at this. I've already signed up. And actually, I will have this paid off in 2 years, and that's where my end of life is going to be. I am actually going to be composted. compost pile has been all turned and mixed. And now I don't want to waste that old meal that I was going to make the tamales with. It's no good, but I'm not throwing it away. This is going to be worm food, and I'll guarantee you that will kickstart some worms in no time at all. I love this stuff. So that's what I do with old flour or stuff like that. It goes out here and it's gone in no time at all. So I just water that in. Well, Sky is over there chowing down on that avocado. I am going to go in and make some dinner, and I am finishing this video for today. It'll be a short one, and I appreciate you watching. This is day 10, going to 9 tomorrow before I'll have 6 weeks up, and then I can start working with some more exercises with this brand new shoulder that I'm working on. So that's this end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you watch again tomorrow. Bye.